Mount two M12 screws 160 mm apart at an angle of 40 degrees. Slide the printhead onto these screws and tighten them. Push two 8 mm hoses into the inlets of the printhead, red for additive, blue for water. Push the other ends of these hoses into the outlets on the control unit and dosing system. Connect your water supply to the water inlet at the dosing station. Use the 60 mm hose to connect the additive inlet to your additive tank. Depending on the additive, a tank with a stirrer may be required. To safely guide any additive discharged by the safety valve, connect an 8 mm hose to the outlet. Connect the motor cable with its twist lock connector to the printhead and the control unit. Plug in the power cable and switch on the control system. After a few seconds, the displays should show zeros. Install the mixing shaft into the mixing chamber and mount the mixing chamber onto the printhead. Rotate the coupling and mixing shaft as shown for easier installation. Attach the nozzle. If you want to use only one additive, remove the additional hose and close the inlet with the 8 mm plug. To start printing, adjust the material consistency and then mount the mortar hose. Remove all air from additive and water hoses by flushing first with water, then with additive. Start the water supply and the printhead motor, then start the pump. When the mortar exits the nozzle, add additive and stop the water supply. After a few seconds, the material is ready for printing. After printing, add water, then remove the additive before stopping the pump. Start and stop the motor several times while keeping the water supply on to clean the mixing chamber and mixing shaft. Remove the mixing chamber and the mortar hose. Clean the bottom of the printhead and the mortar supply with water. If the system will not be used for several days, it is recommended to flush the dosing pump and additive hose with water to prevent additive crystallization. Use water to remove any remaining mortar.